Ooh, he's sweet.
Why is he sweet?
His mommy said, "Leave me alone, I'm eating." Oh, there go the pigs.